Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind session. And in this particular episode, we are going to go through the top-down approach way analysis of what all we can expect in next week of August month, that is second week of August month, as well as what all we saw in last 1 week, because the beginning of the month itself was very interesting, very indecisive, and slightly you can consider panic mode as well. And how do we look up at that particular analysis and how do we trade in that particular trend? That's what we are going to discuss further in this particular episode. So make sure you watch this particular video till the end and make sure you take full notes as well. So weekly mastermind for 6th of August 2023, where we are going to look up at first market index, what are the current outperforming, underperforming sectors, what are the weekly gainers and losers from Nifty 50, what are the current trending stocks, what are the stocks which we can track for second week of August month, as well as some of the cup pattern stocks which we have discussed so far in the previous episodes of weekly mastermind session. So on market index, as you can see, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, all are on the lower side, which is not a good sign. On mid cap 50, we are having flattishness on the positive side. On Bank Nifty, we have seen like a loud move on the negative side, which is not a good sign because since last 2 weeks, Bank Nifty is giving the move on the downside. And what all we can expect, that's what we will be discussing further. India VIX is on the positive side and USD INR is also moving on the positive side, which is slightly a sign of concern for Indian markets. But the overall perspective still the like you can consider the top down approach of the market is bullish as of now. Only there is slightly panicness in the short term trend. Next, if we look up at the chart of Nifty 50, we are having monthly above 60 squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band. But in this particular month, we are having the formation of red candle, which is not a good sign. On weekly, we are having two red candles, and last week's candle was like a spinning top formation. And on daily, on Friday itself, it has formed the base, and let's see how it performs. Because on Nifty 50, we have seen like a support formation at the previous bottom itself, the bottom which was formed after the formation of all-time highs. That's the same base which has been formed on Nifty 50. Let's see how it performs in upcoming week. On Bank Nifty, the scenario is slightly different, where the monthly is above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but not walk off the band. On weekly, it has given two big red candles, and it is almost around 60. And on daily, it has taken like change in polarity, where the previous resistance of all-time high is now acting as a support area, and it has also taken 40 support, which is a very good sign as of now. But let's see how it performs in upcoming week. Next, if we look up at the sector specific, three of the sectors were on the positive side. That is IT up by 3.20, pharma up by 1.86, and media was up by 0.25. Rest were completely on the lower side. 2 to 3 indices were like a metal, where we are having energy and infra. These are like flattish on the downside. No such signs of bigger panicness, but still, the positive indices are very less, and sector rotation has started taking place. On Nifty IT, we are having monthly fresh breakout of moving average. On weekly, we are having a resistance on, you can consider in terms of resistance, like the range, along with that, it is resisting around RSI 60. And on daily, it is forming like almost higher tops and higher bottoms, but very slowly. So as of now, this can be kept on the radar, but we can't trade into IT stocks as of now. Next, we have Nifty Auto, monthly about 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band. But this particular month, it has started moving forward on the lower side, and on daily as well, it has started forming lower tops and lower bottoms, where the previous stop was almost around 16,000 and the next stop was around 15,700, maybe 800, and the RSI is also between 40-60 as of now. And next is Nifty Metal. It is resisting around the previous resistance itself, and on monthly, the RSI is around 60-61. Let's see how it performs in upcoming week. On weekly as well, it has given proper spinning top, and on daily, it is forming higher tops and higher bottoms. And the best part about the short-term trend of Nifty Metal is that it has taken almost moving average support with proper 60 support, which is a very good sign. And from this point of time, we can expect further momentum on metal sector. Next, we have Nifty FMCG, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, but on daily, it has already broken down of 60, and it has also broken down of moving average. And the short-term trend of FMCG sector is now into like, you can consider slightly consolidation zone. Next, we have Nifty Energy, monthly has resisted exactly at 60, and this is like the trend line resistance as well. On weekly, it has given red candle, and on daily, it is exactly at 60, which means in upcoming week or maybe 2 weeks, if Nifty Energy gives us a very good push on the positive side, then it will be a very good sign for us. Otherwise, it will be in panic. Next, we have Nifty Pharma, completely new highs on monthly. We are having proper squeeze open on the upside, out of the band. On weekly, we are having continuous rally of good green candles, and on daily, it is forming new highs and consolidated bottoms, and pharma stocks are completely going crazy. Next, we have Nifty Infra. Monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and on daily, it has taken exact 60 support and almost moving average support. Let's see how it performs in upcoming week, whether it is going to sustain above 60 or else it is going to break down of 60. And going furthermore, it can move into a consolidation zone as well. Next is Nifty Realty. Monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and last 1 week, it has given very good red candle and continuous rally of red candles. It has freshly broken down of 60 as well as moving average, which means the short-term trend of realty sector is as of now in panic mode. Next, we have Nifty Media. Monthly, it is crossing moving average, but with a red candle. On weekly, it has sustained above 60, and on daily, it is already forming higher tops and higher bottoms. Let's see how it performs furthermore, because the short term and the medium term trend is automatically going to pull the long term trend as well. But the long term trend of this particular sector is slightly weak, but let's see how it performs in upcoming quarter. Next, we have weekly best performers from Nifty 50, where we are having IBL Housing Finance up by 22.16, Tech Mahindra up by 7.71. Then we have NTPC, HCL Tech, Coal India, Infosys, and Cipla, like a mixed match move of pharma as well as IT stocks. Next, we have weekly worst performers from Nifty 50, where we are having VDL down by 11.39, Hero MotoCorp down by 7.18. Then we have SBI, Bajaj Finserv. Then we have Zeal, Power Grid, and Bajaj Auto. These are like the worst performers from last 1 week. Then some of the trend following stocks which are monthly, weekly, and daily above 60. First one is Cipla, because the pharma sector is performing well, and since last 1.5 weeks, it is giving very good green candles with sustainability above 60 and very good buying volume, which is also visible on the weekly time frame, which is a very, very good sign for this particular stock. Next, we have India Mart. Monthly, it has freshly broken out of 60. On weekly, it is already sustaining above 60, and on daily, it has given slighter consolidation zone. And furthermore, it is slightly around 60, 61. This stock can also be kept on the radar, and furthermore, based on proper risk management, we can execute the trade in upcoming week on this particular stock based on System 3 as well. Next, we have Lupin, monthly above 60, weekly above 60, and on daily as well, going like a crazy. And furthermore, maybe we can expect slighter consolidation or a retracement where we can have low risk, high reward opportunities, not a retracement like a downfall or maybe a downtrend as well. Because the overall perspective of pharma sector as well as pharma stocks is completely bullish. So as of now, we can expect slighter consolidation or a retracement for low risk, high reward opportunities, not for selling side. Next, we have Alkem, monthly above 60, almost all-time highs, and weekly is also having out of the band. And on daily, we are having very good buying side volume, which is a very, very good sign. Then we have Syngene, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and on daily, it is almost around 60, 61, where we are having higher tops and higher bottoms formation. And once it moves on the positive side, we can have furthermore momentum and like all-time high zone on that particular stock. Then some of the tracking stocks for upcoming week, that is of second week of August month, where we are having first one is BEL, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, but on daily, it has freshly broken down of moving average as well as 60. And once it breaks out of 60 with very good buying volume and gives us a very good green confirmation, and then we can move into lower time frames, that is hourly and 15 minutes, so that we can execute the trade into this based on System 3. Then we have Crompton, monthly at the base, weekly is between 40-60, but it has freshly broken out of a moving average since last so many weeks. And furthermore, once it shows momentum on the daily time frame, once it breaks out of 60 and squeeze opens on the positive side, then the weekly will automatically start moving on the positive side. And this particular stock is like, you can consider 5-star System 3 trade, but the stocks which are having monthly, weekly already above 60 and daily is also about to break out of 60, then it becomes 7-star and furthermore becomes 10-star as well. Then we have TUB, where monthly is at the base, weekly is between 40-60 once again, and on daily it is trying to pull back on the positive side. So both of these stocks can be like a value buying stocks, not momentum based stock. And then we have Hindalco, monthly and weekly are between 40-60, but on monthly it is freshly breaking out of moving average. On weekly it is about to break out of 60 in terms of RSI, and on daily it has started forming higher tops and higher bottoms. And let's see, because this one metal sector and metal stocks have also started performing well, like Jindal Steel. Then we have Tata Steel and we have JSW Steel, and furthermore few stocks as well. Steel, and this particular stock is taking exact 60 support, which is a good sign. And once it breaks out of 60, like in terms of weekly time frame, then we can expect further momentum. Maybe in upcoming quarter, this stock can also perform well. Then we have ICICI Prudential Life. This is also the stock which I mentioned few weeks back in our community based on System 5. But on monthly, it is resisting around 60. On weekly, it is already above 60. But on the short-term trend, as you can see on daily, it broke down of moving average as well as in terms of RSI as well. And once it breaks out of 60 as well as breaks out of moving average on the positive side, then we can have low risk, high reward opportunity based on System 3 once again. Then we have previous cup pattern stocks, which we are discussing since last so many weeks. First, we have PFC, where the resolution point was around 192.5 and current market price is around 258.35, which is a very good sign. Then we have Ashok Leyland, where the resolution point was around 169.50 and current market price is around 182.60. Then we have Marathon. The resolution point was around 333 and current market price is around 346.20. And in the last weekly mastermind session itself, I mentioned the exact entry price as well as not entry price, but I mentioned the rules of how we have to enter, what is going to be our stop loss, what is going to be our first target, second and third. So make sure you watch previous weekly mastermind session. Maybe it might be on our YouTube channel and into this particular playlist as well. You can go through it so that you can understand the exact entry as well as stop loss price. And based on your risk appetite, you can definitely enter into this particular trade and after your own analysis as well. So the resolution point on this particular stock was around 333 and current market price is around 346. In last 1 week, it has given very good move. Then we have Tata Motors, where the resolution point was around 612 and the current market price is around 615.80. This particular stock has given slighter retracement, and furthermore, once we get proper confirmation, we can get low risk, high reward opportunities after proper green candle confirmations or maybe 60 breakout or 40 support confirmations as well in short term trend. Then we have Agar Industries, where the resolution point was around 790 and current market price is around 860.05. In last 1 week, it has given crazy move. Then we have Wellcorp, where the resolution point was around 292 and current market price is around 320.70. And this is like almost 13 to 14 years cup, which is a very, very good sign. And even in last one video, I mentioned that like longer the cup, stronger the move, based on which the momentum on the positive side might happen very quick based on like a downfall which it gave for almost 13 to 14 years. Now, once it gives proper move, then we can see like a crazy move on the positive side. Next, we have NCC, where the resolution point was around 141.5 and current market price around 152.85. And this is like the double cup, which was almost like this is like almost the same pattern as of PFC, but the duration of the cup is slightly different, and the resolution points in other areas are also different for this particular stock. So this is it for this particular video, and thank you so much for watching this particular video till the end. I hope that you have got absolute clarity on what are the stocks which we can track for upcoming week, what are the stocks which we can trade in upcoming week, and along with that, you have got absolute clarity on what are the different sectors which we have to focus upon. That is metal, we have to focus upon pharma, we have to focus upon energy and media, out of which even one or two sectors might outperform, one or two sectors might also go into a consolidation zone for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then it can give move on the positive side. Anything can happen, but the sectors which were performing in last 1 and 2 quarters, those are like FMCG, realty, then we had infra and auto sector. Those are right now taking a halt, those are taking a breath, and let's see how the sector rotation also takes place a major role into this particular trend. And this is it for this particular video. And if you're someone who is watching this particular video on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook page as well, make sure you check out our YouTube channel and Facebook page, because yesterday I have posted one video of Technical Saturday series where I have posted one of the video based on trend lines. And if you feel that your basics are slightly weak, you can go through that particular video and you will definitely get more clarity. And along with that, if you feel that you are getting immense value from our YouTube channel as well as Facebook page, make sure you share our videos with your friends and loved ones so that they can also get absolute clarity. And the myths about market, like a lot of people have this myth in their mind that if we are using technical analysis, then we need to go for a lot of tools and indicators. But if you feel that I am helping you to figure out all the things in the most simplified manner, and if I'm giving you immense value through these YouTube videos and Facebook page videos as well, make sure you comment below and share this particular video with your friends and loved ones. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.